Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about differential equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to 2sy and q equals to this one. We have the x, that means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So this one we have y. So first the derivative of y we have number 1. So we have 2x. This one we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to x. So this one we have 2x. This one we don't have s, so you got number 0. So we see that this one and this one, they are same. So that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fsy. So I will select about this one plus 3sy. The integration of 2x, we have s squared y. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. For the both sides, this one we have number 1, so we have s squared. So this one we have d over dy, 3sy. And we know that this one equals to this one, and now we simplify s squared for the both sides. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. This one we have y to the power of 3 over 3, and then we put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3sy. 3sy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fsy. This one equals to c. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.